Okay, we're back in the kitchen. Second time today. Dinner time. We're making more tabbouleh. We have mint. No, parsley. A little mint over here. Mint, tomato. Give this a little mix. Going to mix this up a little more in a minute. Parsley is a fabulous thing. Purifies the blood, loaded with chlorophyll, loaded with electrolytes. Very, very healing. Mint is wonderful too. It's great for the digestion. Acts as a cholagogue. Let's just do it this way. I like lemon seeds, but we're going to take a couple of them out. Just a spoon. And give it a squeeze. Pop out a few dozen seeds if you see them. Let a couple go in if you see them. Do it this way so we can see more. Why do I make so many tabbouleh videos? Because I eat so much tabbouleh. I make this several times a week. And there's always a little bit of a variation you could pull with this. And tonight I'm going to show you a little, I don't know if I want to say a variation, but a little addition. It's going to make it a little bit different to last week's tabbouleh. Okay. Now, we need, of course, hemp seeds. We're doing this Lebanese style. Okay. In Lebanon, they don't use a lot of bulgur in their tabbouleh, just a little bit. There's some places where they use a lot of bulgur. In our case, hemp seed. Some people would use quinoa or millet or couscous or something. All those things are fine, but I like the hemp seeds. Richer in amino acids, richer in fatty acids, instantaneous, no need for cooking. Okay, see how nice? Just little speckles. Now, olive oil, fine. Fine. We're using Udo's 369 with DHA. A little bit, not too much. That's like a teaspoon. You use this oil, you put it right back in the fridge. It's very perishable. Formulated by Dr. Udo Erasmus. Absolute biochemical fatty acid genius. Let's use a teaspoon of organic extra virgin olive oil too. This is Paisano. This is a beautiful oil. Very cloudy. Just a touch. Just to give a little flavor. So, yes, there is a study. We've talked about this. I'm talking about it again. There is a study that showed that olive oil actually decreased flow-mediated dilation. It's how the blood vessels open and allow blood to move through. But because we have the parsley and the mint and the acid in the lemon, vinegar would do the same thing. We are enhancing the release of nitric oxide because these other food items carry for us something called nitric oxide synthase, which is an enzyme necessary to facilitate nitric oxide release. And now I've got way too many lemon seeds, so I'm going to take out 30 or 40 of them. Because, you know, we don't want to be gluttons. Okay. Go back in here. Give this a little stir. Let's clean off the edge a little bit. And now a teeny bit of good quality sea salt. And here we have our tabbouleh salad. And as I said, we're going to have one surprise super guest star. Don't go anywhere, I'm coming back. Organic sprouted watermelon seeds. So now we have a tabouleh salad that is protein rich, fatty acid rich, amino acid rich, chlorophyll rich, carotenoid rich, and we also have some extra L-citrulline. Use some watermelon seeds when you use olive oil. Citrulline is a vasodilator. You could use that on your pasta, on your salads, all your dishes. And that's what it looks like. Give it a little mix. I had one whole mint leaf. I'm leaving it on top just because it looks good. And I'm going to change spoons. Be blessed. Okay. Let's try our new tabouleh salad. Got a little bit of everything here. Very nice. Nice and lemony. I love parsley. Love, love, love parsley. Love mint. This is for all the tabouleh lovers, and for all the mint lovers, and all the tomato lovers, and all the lemon lovers, and all the watermelon seed lovers, and all the hemp seed lovers, and all the parsley lovers especially, all the love lovers. This is what it's all about. Let's have a little more. Okay. Stay well, stay blessed. Stay together. Stay strong, stay healthy. And we'll see you real soon. I'm going to enjoy this salad. Take care for now, friends. Bye-bye.